Healthcare workers continue to be the worst affected in the coronavirus pandemic, and the story is no different in Pakistan. While the Pakistan government struggles with the spread of the virus, more than 500 healthcare workers, including doctors, have been infected in the country. Our next report gets you more.
Cases in Pakistan have crossed the 24,000 mark with over 550 deaths. But healthcare workers at the front line continue to be the worst hit. A total of 263 doctors have been infected in Pakistan. But that is not all. 175 other health workers and even 75 nurses have also tested positive for COVID-19. At least 14 doctors have succumbed to the deadly virus since Pakistan recorded its first case on the 26th of February. Some among them haven't even received proper treatment, including access to ventilators, just like this Karachi doctor. On Sunday, Dr. Furqan passed away while he was en route to a hospital. The family of the deceased doctor had alleged that he was turned down by 2 hospitals. An inquiry into the matter by the Sindh government has even led to the suspension of a duty doctor who has been held responsible.
इसकी इंक्वायरी हमने कर ली है। हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट को मैंने डायरेक्शंस दे दी हैं कि जो जिम्मेदारान हैं उनके शोकॉज किया जाए और उनको सज़ा दी जाए, और ये प्रोसेस बिल्कुल शुरू किया। ये इंक्वायरी ख़त्म हो गई है और ये प्रोसेस शुरू हो गया है। जो सज़ा देने वाला है शोकॉज करने वाला है।
In Quetta, doctors have previously staged protests for lack of PPEs and other essential supplies.
The health department that they have assured us that yes, we will provide you with everything, but they have failed to do so, due to which lead to the positive cases of over 15 doctors in our province.
Some of these doctors were even baton charged and arrested. One of the protesting doctors was even later diagnosed with the virus. From Karachi to Peshawar, doctors and health workers continue to be infected with the deadly virus. But as cases continue to surge in Pakistan, Pakistan's health system is heading towards a crash as it fails to protect its own messiahs. With Anas Malik in Islamabad, Bureau Report, WION World is One.
Anas Malik, our Pakistan Bureau Chief, is joining us from Islamabad for more on this. Good evening to you, Anas. Pakistan battling the coronavirus just like the rest of the world, and their healthcare workers really are struggling on the front line.
Well, absolutely, the healthcare workers that are the frontline workers against the fight against COVID-19 are the most vulnerable ones, and more than 500 have been affected due to the coronavirus while treating the patient. In fact, about 14 doctors have also lost their lives. Among these 509 patients or those health workers that have been diagnosed, there are about 263 doctors who have been diagnosed with the virus. Now, the Pakistani government says that they are doing its utmost to provide doctors the adequate necessary equipment and supplies, but for now they've been struggling with it. It wouldn't be wrong to say, given the fact that there are about 263 doctors who have been infected by the novel coronavirus as we speak. Even now, the Pakistani Health Ministry, this SCPM on Health, Dr. Zafar Mirza, he says that they are trying their level best to provide protective gears, especially to doctors in rural areas, because we've seen most of these cases have emerged from Peshawar, from Quetta, and even from Lahore as well. Therefore, the Pakistani ministry, the health ministry, is saying that they are trying its level best. They are trying to enforce those SOPs as well. We've seen that unfortunate incident of Dr. Furqan's death in Karachi this past Sunday, and after that some people were taken to task. But for now, it wouldn't be wrong to say that the government is struggling to implement its own SOPs given the stigma associated with COVID-19 patients. Yes, Alison.
Anas, thank you for that report. That's Anas Malik, our Pakistan Bureau Chief, bringing us the latest on COVID-19 there.